Do you know what Comfrey, Borage or Foxglove look like? Let's find out. Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today I'm gonna show you what Comfrey, Borage and Foxglove look like. I am in my garden and I'm just about to chop down this wonderful Comfrey. If you are into organic gardening, this is must to have in your garden. Be careful though, because it can easily overtake your garden, so really think of where you want to keep it. I've got really wild corner here and I don't mind. I chop it down and I use it on yearly basis. I went for holiday and I came back, and this is from it's after 3 weeks. I chop it down completely so you can see it will come back again. And you can either make a Comfrey tea, which is a bit of smelly stuff. You can Google million recipes how to make a Comfrey tea. So basically you put it into the water and you use it in your garden. You water your stuff with it and it's really beneficial for the plant. Or you can make it neat. You can crush the leaves and put some weight and leave it for a couple of weeks or months and then strain the neat liquid. It will be much stronger, but then you need to dilute it with water again. It's just 1 part of this and 10 parts of water. What I do, I also just chop it down finally, and then I just put it in my garden, just drop it off, use it as a mulch, as compost, and this way it can be used as well. So I think I just do this thing. I don't, I'm quite lazy to do the water version at the moment, but I will definitely do it this year as well. Let me show where else I've got a Comfrey in my garden, and when we will go inside I will show you bit by bit. And also I brought here, I've got a foraging book. This is from Wild Food UK, and here we go. We've got a Comfrey here as well. It is edible. It's very controversial topic because some people say it's it shouldn't be really eaten. What is written here? It can contain alkaloids which are really harmful to liver. So if you decide to eat it, you should go for the white flower version, because it contains the less harmful chemicals, and the best way to eat it is just do leaf fritters. I managed to get the white version. It took me some time to get it, and guess what? I still haven't tried the fritters, but I will definitely do. So I leave it up to you. Make your research, make your own decision on this. Let's make a closer look. So this is still Comfrey. You can see it can have really big leaves as well. It's just about to have a flowers. I think I've got a few flowers elsewhere, so I will show you. And the benefit is it will come back every year. You can see I've got more here, and there is another one. So I will have loads of chopping down today. Here I've got nettles, so you can also mix nettles with Comfrey for extra booster. Make sure you have no seeds there, so you don't want to put it everywhere in your garden, otherwise you would have Comfrey and nettles everywhere. Here we are, another Comfrey batch. And you can see it has got flowers. So you've got usually purple or pinkish one, and then you've got also the white version. Let's check the white version. And here is the white flower version of Comfrey. You can eat the leaves if you decide to do so. They should contain less harmful alkaloids than the pinkish or purple version. As I said, I leave the decision up to you. And here I've got it by my cherry tree. Here you can see flowers as well. We've got the baby carrot behind it, and it's quite helpful because it's got really deep roots, and the roots bring all the nutrition. And I just chop it down here, and I can just leave it by the tree for extra booster. And here it is. I chopped comfrey up, and I'm just gonna scatter this around my garden for extra booster. Now let's see borage. This is borage, and the flowers haven't opened yet. It's got wonderful blue star-like flowers. I will show you in the book. And it is also edible. The leaves can be eaten when young. They can be added to salads, and later on they are quite hairy, so they should be boiled. It's quite hairy for me, so I tend to do just the flowers. They are really nice and refreshing. It tastes like a cucumber, and it gives really fresh taste to summer drinks. And this one it's annual, so you need to plant it every year. But I will tell you something: if you plant it once, it will self-seed wonderfully. So I only planted this once, and I've got borage every single year. And this is what the lovely flowers look like. I can't wait for this to open, and it flowers for a really long time. So once you plant it, that's it. Even though it's annual, it will come back year after year. I can guarantee you this. And let's see foxglove, which is poisonous, so you can see the red cross. I love the flowers. It's something like a cottage-like feeling, you know, the old sort of garden. Bees love it, but be really careful. It's really poisonous, so never collect the leaves when they are young, because they can be easily confused with borage or comfrey. So please, please, please be very careful. Check this out. The flowers are absolutely stunning. It's really nice to watch bees when are they inside, and bumblebees. Everything is buzzing. Now it's quite early in the morning, so they will come in a bit. And it can have like pinkish flowers, but it can have like white, yellowish and stuff like that. So it's really nice to see the variety. And I can show you the leaves. And as I said, when they are young, they are really easily confused. So word of caution again, it is poisonous. And here we are, so you can have a closer look. Comfrey with its lovely flowers, borage in the middle. You can see the flower still hasn't opened. It would be a lovely blue color once they do. And foxglove. And as you can see, comfrey and foxglove can be easily confused. Please make sure you know what you're doing. And borage, it's got slightly different shape, and if you are not sure, just leave it. Ask someone who is really confident. So I hope it helped you to clarify what Comfrey, Borage and Foxglove look like. I was reading something about Comfrey. It's really helpful for skin and for hair. I am thinking I might do some hair wash tomorrow. I'm gonna keep a few of the leaves and try this as well. Let me know in the comments below after today's video, are you able to tell the difference? Which one is which? So again, Foxglove, Borage and Comfrey. And here is a Foxglove flower for you. Let me know in the comments below if you are using Comfrey or Borage and share with me any recipes so we can have a look and we can find the one which is really helpful for us. I'm gonna make some hair rinse tomorrow from Comfrey. I can't wait to try it. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe now if you haven't done so, leave me some comments, share with your friends and family, spread some love, and thank you so much for watching. Stay amazing and bye until next time, from my heart to your heart.